If you want to save a MailChimp newsletter as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn any MailChimp email campaign into a PDF file that you can store, share, or reference later. This is really useful if you want a backup of your newsletter, need to send it to a client, or just want to keep a clean copy of the design and content. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Sign in using your account credentials so you can access your campaigns. Once you're in, look for the left-hand navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where MailChimp keeps your email newsletters and automated email content. Find the specific email campaign you want to save as a PDF. Now, next to that campaign, click the three-dot menu. From the options that appear, select View in Browser. This is important because it opens the web version of your email in a format that can be printed or saved more easily. Once the browser version opens, take a quick moment to make sure the email content is loading correctly and that everything you want to save is visible. The next step is to open the print dialog. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and P at the same time. On a Mac, use Command and P. This will bring up your browser's print settings window. From here, look for the destination or printer option. Change that setting to save as PDF. This tells your computer that instead of sending the page to a printer, you want to export it as a PDF file. After that, review the print preview carefully. This is where you can adjust the layout to make sure the newsletter looks good in the final file. You can change the page orientation, margins, scale, and paper size if needed. If the email looks too small, too large, or gets cut off on the edges, this is the place to fix it. The goal is to make sure the entire newsletter appears clean and readable before you save it. Once you're happy with the preview, click Save. Your computer will then ask you where you want to store the file. Choose the folder you want, enter a clear file name so you can find it later, and click Save again. And just like that, your MailChimp newsletter has been saved as a PDF. This is a simple but very handy process, especially if you send newsletters regularly and want to archive your work. It only takes a minute once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of time later on. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.